Good evening and welcome to Science Today. I am your host, Mrs. St. George. Today's topic, ecology. Now, ecology has to deal with the environment, and I can tell you I am loving this environment. Our ACE reporters have been out in the field looking up the answers to your questions. Shall we see what they're up to? First up, Liam and Tyler, who have investigated food chains and food webs.
Hi, my name is Tyler.
And I'm Liam.
Today we are going to talk about food chains.
Right you are, Tyler.
So Liam, what is a food chain?
Well, a food chain is a cycle in which certain or everything gets energy.
So every animal has its own food chain with other animals?
Right. It also happened to have found that answer in a science source book. Tyler?
Yes?
How does a food chain work?
First, there's a plant, which is the producer, and that gets eaten by an animal. Then that animal gets eaten by that animal, and so on.
Thanks.
No, you can think www.enotes.com.
You got your answer from the internet?
So, you got your answer from a book.
Fine, we're even.
Okay.
I know what you're thinking.
What?
You're thinking, why are there food chains?
How'd you know that?
Magic?
Okay.
I can answer your question. The answer is, there are food chains because animals need energy to live. If there were no food chains, we would not exist.
Where did you find that answer?
www.ehow.com.
Ha!
What?
You got your answer from the internet.
Don't yell at me. I have another question.
What?
What is a food web?
That's easy. A food web is like a food chain, except there is a lot of different combinations. I got that answer from a very long website name. Here goes. www.woodlands/junior.kent.ch.uk.
Wow.
What?
Do you rely on the internet every time?
No?
Yeah, right.
Be quiet. I have one more question.
What is it?
What is the difference between a food web and a food chain?
The difference between a food chain and a food web is that a food chain is just one combination of animals, but a food web is a lot of combinations of animals.
Okay, no more yelling. Where did you get that answer?
www.woodlands/junior.kent.sch.uk.
Well, I think that's it.
Yep, we're all done.
Hey, Liam.
What?
Don't forget to smile.
Our next topic, presented by Nicole and Mary, is very dirty, filthy, but very essential for our existence. I'm talking about soil.
Welcome to the weekly ecosystem channel. Today we'll be talking about soil.
Soil is one of the natural resources we use in everyday life, so let's talk.
Okay then, Mary. First, how does soil affect the ecosystem?
Well, soil makes plants, but if it doesn't rain on the plants, it'll affect the plants that have to grow.
Which will also affect the food chain.
That's right.
Mary, what types of soil are there?
Well, there's the tropical soil, which is dark and wet. Then you have the Arctic soil, which is thin and light in color. Wetland soil is dark brown and very dense.
That's very nice, Mary. You know a lot about soil.
Can I ask a question?
Sure, what is it?
What can happen if the soil changes in a certain area or place?
It will not grow the right food for either the animals, bugs, or even humans.
Thank you.
Would you like to ask any more questions, Mary?
Sure, why not? Let's see. Oh yes, what can soil do for us?
That's an easy one, Mary. Soil can help us plant crops such as corns, beans, and squash. It creates a ground to put seeds in that make the food we eat.
I'm learning so much from this.
That's great, Mary. Now, we only have time for one more question. How is soil created?
One way soil is created is material that gets broken down into the ground and becomes soil.
Well, that's all today on Ecosystems.
See you soon.
Maddie and Spencer have been investigating overpopulation. Stay tuned to find out more. You dirty rat.
Overpopulation is affecting the country. Infestations are at world high. Last night, a 911 operator received this message.
Help, please!
What's the problem?
Rats are overrunning our home. They're eating our animals alive.
We'll send help right away. As you can see, there's a problem in this area.
Hey, Spencer, what causes overpopulation?
Decline in death rate and raise in birth rate.
Where did you get that information?
At Buzzle.com.
Cool.
What do you know about overpopulation?
I know why overpopulation is a problem.
What do you know? What do you know and how?
Well, I know that it causes animals to take over our living areas and eat our food.
Wow, where'd you find that out?
I read it in a book called Population Growth.
Cool, that reminds me. What is overpopulation?
Good question. Overpopulation is when a habitat is overrun by a certain or many species and the land cannot provide for their needs. I got that on Wikipedia.com.
Cool. How does overpopulation affect our ecosystem?
It causes plants to die because all of the animals are eating the plants, so the other animals who need it, causing the other animals to die. It goes on and on. Get the picture?
Yeah, it's like a domino effect, right?
Exactly, but how can we help?
We can help by not feeding wild animals. It makes them comfortable with us roaming around our homes.
Wow, I think that's all the questions I have. How about you, Spencer?
Yep, I think that's it. Bye.
Did you know that some animals are in trouble? Well, they are. No, we're not going to write up a referral and send them to the principal's office, but it is a serious matter. Zach and Joe are going to tell us about endangered species.
Hi, my name's Joe.
And I'm Zach.
And we're going to talk about endangered animals.
Yeah, how do animals become endangered?
Animals can become endangered all sorts of ways. First, it's just other animals eating them.
Oh, I could have swore that I knew that.
Sure.
How do animals become extinct?
By major environment changes.
Okay, there's a couple more questions I need to ask you.
Okay, hit me.
Okay, just curious, but what was the first animal that was extinct?
I think that's the dinosaurs.
I knew about the dinosaurs. I just didn't think that they were the first ones extinct.
Well, they were.
Oh, what animal is about to get extinct, so endangered?
One animal that is about to be extinct is the bald eagle.
Cool. I've seen one of those before.
Yes, they're very common, but there's not much of them left.
One more question. What is the most harmfulest animal ever?
I say the dinosaur habitat and the fauna habitat.
Thanks.
Yep, and I hope that people know what an endangered animal is and what an extinct animal is.